Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E6i and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon, and if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that, and after releasing you can see the recents. So of course, if you want, you can close, for example, only one of those apps, just find them and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them with only one click, just go to the very left and tap on clear all. And for some reason we do not have any information, so we can enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.